obnoxious that I'm driving through a residential area between houses and I got side pipes on, so basically blasting both sides of the car. On my way to my first ever, or yeah, it is ever of this year, my first meet. Now there were runs at the beginning of the year when it dropped back down to level 1 because we were at level 3, but it's officially happening. Everyone's starting to do meets again, everyone's starting to do runs. I haven't been on a run in ages. I have been to a couple of meets at the end of last year. This will be the first meet that I'm attending this year. Sorry, I just heard a weird sound. I don't know if it was coming from my car or if it was a dog barking. It sounded like a whiny noise, like so I don't know if that sounded like differential. I don't know. I hope not. There's no check engine lights, so, and I'm hearing it again. What the hell's that sound? Well, I don't know what that sound is, guys, but the car doesn't feel any bad, any worse. It's just I'm sweating my tits off here, and I'm gonna open up a bit. I don't know what that sound is. I've got a lot of events planned as well. I've got one big event coming up that I've been planning for quite a while now already, and it's starting to take shape now a little bit. Also, Harvel Detailing and Cleaning Products, he opened up his own detailer, and he invited me as well to come to the event and shoot for him. That is going to be that's going to be there's first Sundays on the 7th of March, and then the 6th of March, the Saturday, is his event, or his opening day of the detailer he just opened, and we're gonna go shoot some video there for him. Dimitri from Fresh Photography is gonna be there, and yeah, I think it's gonna be really cool. I don't know what that sound is. It sounds a little bit like a differential. I'm not entirely sure, but anyway, we're pulling up now. There's quite a few people here, which is strange because there was another meet at Seapoint as well. There's a whole bunch of Beemers and stuff. Looks quite lekker here. Just gonna get a nice spot, and then yeah, we'll take it from there, guys. You guys arrived at the meet, and it's actually pretty pumping. Not too bad, and I thought it's gonna be kind of dead because of the whole Seapoint meet, but actually it's pretty decent. All the M drivers here at the back of me. Oh, that's kind of dark, but yeah, we're gonna get some cinematics in as well, because there's some pretty decent cars out, and there's more people rolling in, and I'm about an hour late. This thing started at 6 already, and it is like, I think 7 now, or just past 7. At least there's still some daylight, so I'm gonna try and get some shots in before we lose light completely, or I'm just gonna wait until it gets completely dark and use these lights. There's not a lot of lights around here, but use these lights to get some nice shots in, and maybe do a nighttime shoot. So yeah, we're gonna try that. Maybe if I start shooting now, it'll be this light into nighttime. But yeah, let's check what I decide. I really wanted to do a nighttime shoot, so I might as well do that. I don't know if everyone's gonna leave for Greenpoint, but we'll wait and see. Let's see what the night holds. Basically, that's about it. Oh, first one down for the night. Ouch. First one down for the night.
Ja, TikTok.
Bye.